What if the way you've been learning Arabic is actually slowing you down? Should Arabic be taught only in Arabic? This is one of the most controversial questions in language learning. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll discover how immersive Arabic teaching, when done right, with strategies like TPR, total physical response, can transform the way you or your child learns. Hi there, I'm Dana, the founder of Dana Land Academy and an Arabic educator with over 8 years of experience. I've dedicated my career to helping young learners fall in love with the Arabic language. On this channel, I'll share tips, strategies, and creative ideas to make Arabic learning fun, engaging, and meaningful for your child. Why is teaching Arabic in Arabic such a hot topic? Some believe it's the fastest path to fluency, while others argue it's overwhelming, especially for beginners. Today, we'll break down the immersive teaching method, its pros and cons, and how tools like TPR, total physical response, make it engaging and achievable for learners of all levels. And don't miss my final take at the end. What exactly is immersive Arabic learning and how does it work? Immersive learning skips translations and teaches entirely in Arabic. Teachers rely on gestures, visuals, and repetition to help students understand without using their native language. One key strategy is TPR, total physical response. Imagine a teacher saying qif, which means stand, while standing up, or saying ursum, which means draw, while pretending to draw. These actions make it easy for students to connect Arabic words to their meanings intuitively, even without translations. But does this method work for everyone, or does it leave some learners frustrated and stuck? Let's explore the advantages next. What makes immersive learning such a game changer for teaching Arabic? Immersion mirrors how children learn their first language by associating sounds with actions and visuals. It creates a natural learning environment where students start thinking in Arabic instead of translating back and forth. TPR makes this process even more effective by making lessons fun, interactive, and memorable. It's not just about hearing a word, it's about experiencing it, which boosts retention. For kids especially, this method builds fluency quickly. But does that mean immersion is the perfect solution for everyone? Stick around because we'll address its challenges next. Loving these insights? Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on teaching Arabic effectively. From fun activities to proven methods like TPR, I've got plenty to share. Now, let's explore the flip side of immersion. What are the challenges of immersive Arabic learning? For beginners, especially adults, it can be intimidating to follow a class where nothing is explained in their native language. Some learners struggle to grasp abstract concepts like grammar without translation. While TPR is fantastic for verbs and actions, it can't always explain complex ideas or cultural stuff. Without proper support, some students feel overwhelmed or demotivated. So, is immersion too challenging for beginners, or is there a way to balance it with other methods? Let's find out how to make it work. How can teachers make immersive Arabic learning effective for everyone? The key is to pair immersion with supportive strategies. TPR is just one example of how teachers simplify complex ideas without relying on translation. Instead of translating the word tufaha, which means an apple, a teacher might show a picture of an apple while saying the word. Using visuals like this connects meaning directly to the word, making it memorable and easy to learn. Repetition, props, and simple sentence structures also keep learners engaged while reinforcing comprehension. But is immersion the right choice for all learners? And should kids start their Arabic journey this way? Let's answer that next. So, should Arabic be taught in Arabic? Immersive teaching is one of the most effective methods for both kids and adults when done the right way and using the right tools. Tools like TPR, visuals, and storytelling make the process engaging for children, while adults benefit from the natural fluency it builds by thinking directly in Arabic. Even for beginners, immersion helps learners overcome the habit of translating back and forth, making Arabic feel natural and intuitive. And remember, consistency is key. Daily practice with immersive methods is what leads to lasting success. So, embrace immersion, stay consistent, and watch your Arabic skills grow faster than ever. If you've missed our previous video where you choose the right Arabic for your child, please check it out now.